here on Keto Lifestyle. It's Friday night fish fry, and we're going to cook some fish, make it all kind of crispy on the outside. It's a really super easy recipe, and it's keto. Let's get to it. Okay, this recipe is really easy to make. What we're going to do is we're going to take some mayonnaise, and we're going to coat the shrimp with mayonnaise on all sides and throw it into the panko. And this panko is actually crushed pork rinds. And how I do it is I take pork rinds like this, and I put them in a bowl, and I crush them with a glass, just to make them into like a nice pebbly type of consistency. And we're gonna hit the fish. So a little bit of mayonnaise on, you flip it over, just like that. This is the easiest recipe to make, and it's really yummy and it's crunchy. And so we take these and we'll just set them off to the side right here, just like that. Nice little coating on them. And then we're doing the shrimp first because we're gonna put a little bit of something different on the cod in our Friday night fish fry. We're going to do dill, actually. So I'll just move that over, and then you can see this a little bit better here. Sorry about the light. The sun's setting here, and the wind's whipping up. So these go into the crispy. See how crispy that is? That looks really good. It's a nice coating, super easy. These are Argentinian shrimps, nice big shrimps with the tail on. And then we're going to put some dill on the fish, just like this. Just a little bit of dill. I don't want it on the shrimp though. There's some dill. There we go. That's done. I'll just move this off to the side. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt and pepper on everything here. There's the pepper. Here's the Himalayan pink salt. That's going well. And now we're going to paint a little bit of mayo on the fish with the dill. Both sides. And that'll help the pork rinds stick to it. There's just two of us eating tonight, so Jennifer's in there making the sides. I think French green beans with toasted almonds. That'll go really well. So this goes in, and we just kind of cover it, pound this stuff in. Can't get any easier than that. I'm going to fry this in refined coconut oil. This is one of my favorite oils to use. There's no coconut taste in this one. We have a sweet coconut, and then this one's refined, and it's just great for frying. Sorry about the wind. Sun's setting, as I mentioned. So I'm just going to put some oil in the bottom. This will happen pretty fast. Put the biggest one in first. There we go. And I'll take a couple extra little pieces because we'll scrape this out when we're done. So that's cooking. This one's cooking. Now, I'm going to put these in first because the shrimp's not going to take that long at all. Okay, let's take a look at our fish. We'll take a look at the bottom. Nope, a little bit more. Okay, that's looking pretty good. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add the shrimp in now and just put them right into the oil. Just like that. See? That look good? Little oil onto the side, nice hot oil. Oil's jumping all over the place here. Just flip the shrimp. They won't take long at all. They cook really fast. All you're basically doing is just crunching up the outside, you know, like crisping it up a little bit. Let's have a look at this one. Oh yeah. And see, you can't use bread when you're keto. So the pork rinds are great for, you know, the mayonnaise. You put mayonnaise on the fish or the shrimp or pork chops or whatever you want, and then you put crushed pork rinds on, and you can flavor it any way you want and dip it into whatever you like. It works really well. So here's a piece of, I can put this in the sunshine. There's a piece of fish. The nice crispy outside. See how flaky that is? And I'm going to let this piece go for a little bit more. But what I can do is I can put the shrimp on. I'll put some golden shrimp, just like that. Look at that. The smell is just so good here. Look, can you see that? And then I should probably scrape the little bits in the bottom there, put it on top. I'm going to serve this with a tzatziki sauce, yogurt tzatziki, maybe a little bit of lemon, like this. We can have some lemon, and that is cooked. And I'll put some lemon pieces on, like this. And that is a real-time cook. That didn't take any time whatsoever. Take a look at that. I'm sure that you can see it. The golden shrimp, it's got a nice crispy coating on the fish. Friday night fish fry. And I'm going in right now.